For one CU research team, that's the sound of success. Imagine your own laptop and how warm it can get. Multiply that computing power 1,000 times and the conditions could turn a room into a sauna, which is the sort of thing that can ruin computers. Air conditioning seems like an obvious solution, but the power consumption is enormous. So how do you build a more energy-efficient cooling system? That's the question that became a challenge for CU scientists.
This was a fun project in that, first off, we were told it would never work.
That didn't stop CU's National Snow and Ice Data Center from working on a better way to keep their computer bank cool. The center studies climate change and distributes their data all over the world, requiring a need for efficiency.
Data centers consume almost as much power as the airline industry, and it's growing quite rapidly.
To put this in perspective, the data center takes up a tiny bit of space, but uses 1/3 of the building's power. So when you're sitting in a hot computer lab, feeling like you have to take off layer after layer after layer, it's because so much energy is needed to keep the computers cool enough to run. With a more efficient cooling system, all of this could change. The CU team designed what's called an indirect evaporative cooling system. Here's how it works. The system pulls air from outside into the building through air ducts. It uses what looks like washing machines, but they filter and blow the air over water, so they're uniquely called Colorado units. The system then uses a set of vents to supply cool air without humidity to the room, a process with amazing cooling power and less energy.
So we've managed to cut overall on an annual basis, we've cut the cooling power 90%. Reliability is improved and maintenance is less.
With such a large cut on energy consumption, the center has been recognized by Governor Hickenlooper with a High Impact Research Award. This award, however, is not what the center is after.
True success will be when other organizations, like the rest of the university, cities, counties, corporations, pick the same technology up and they start using it too, because then everybody starts saving money.
So whether it's a small computer lab or larger data center, this savings could be monumental for the world's energy consumption and ultimately efforts for a more sustainable environment. Michelle Totive, News Team Boulder.